Hello everyone, welcome back to another video on the channel. We just got news from Hong Kong that could have a big impact on the price of XRP moving forward. Now, the CEO of one of the largest exchanges, OSL, in Hong Kong also mentioned here that Hong Kong spot crypto ETFs will see substantial growth in 2025. And so if you enjoy this content, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. And so let's go ahead and jump right into it here. Now, I just made a previous video talking about the USDT Tether crash here. Now, we've been seeing a lot of this doom and gloom out there, and I provided a lot of that truth of what is really going to be happening with Tether moving forward in that video. So definitely make sure to check that out. And so with Tether not being compliant to the MiCA regulations in Europe, we could start seeing money flow out from Tether and into compliant stablecoins. Now, one of those stablecoins is RLUSD, which is Ripple's stablecoin that did just go live. And so that's something else that could be very positive moving forward. Now, let's go ahead and take a look at the chart here for XRP. And so we can see here, this was trading around 50 cents for quite some time, right? We did see a run up here to about $1.25. We did have some consolidation there, and then we did end up breaking to the upside again, running to about $1.60. Then we had more consolidation, and now we are forming this massive bull flag right here. And so we can see here that this has been continuing to consolidate right around that $2 level. And so once we do break to the upside here and have a daily close, we will be pushing much higher for XRP. Now let's go ahead and take a look at the news here regarding the Bank of China. And so they released a financial stability report emphasizing that Hong Kong is actively exploring the management of crypto asset licenses, pointing out that although 51 countries and regions around the world have issued prohibitions on crypto assets, some economies have adjusted their original law or re-legislated regulations. Now, if we're talking about Hong Kong here, if we go ahead and take a look at the documentation for Ripple here, we can see that bank IDs have already been assigned here for banks in Hong Kong. Now, one of the banks on this list here is Bank of China here. And so we can see it's listed multiple times. And so they could be getting very close here to compliance and regulation for utilizing this technology. Now, as I mentioned here, we can see the People's Bank of China released the financial stability report, emphasizing that Hong Kong is actively exploring the management of crypto asset licenses. And so that could provide Ripple with a crypto asset license. Now, if we go ahead and take a look at some of the largest banks in China here, number 4 is Bank of China, with 4.6 trillion assets in 2023. And so just imagine if we start seeing implementation of this technology, what would happen to the price of XRP? It would absolutely explode. Now, in addition to that, Ripple has been doing testing with Hong Kong in a CBDC pilot, right? I mean, so they have been partnering with Fubon Bank. They have a list down here of all the banks that were doing testing, a total of 16 banks. Payment firms and blockchain companies will participate in the pilot program to test those use cases. These include state-owned Bank of China, China Construction Bank, Industrial and Commercial Bank of China, alongside HSBC, Standard Chartered Bank, Visa, MasterCard. And so as we previously looked at, some of the largest banks in China here were participating in the CBDC pilot for Ripple. Now, in addition to this news, we also have a change of administration coming in January, which is a big difference in adoption of cryptocurrencies. And so let's go ahead and watch this video clip here.
Have a crypto president. The crypto industry has embraced Trump. Trump has embraced the crypto industry.
He really has.
And we're finally seeing that kind of unlocked in a Trump embraced crypto and crypto embraced Trump. And I think it's clear that Donald Trump embraced crypto and crypto embraced Donald Trump.
Big news. Instead of attacking industries of the future, we will embrace them, including making America the world capital for crypto. We're embracing the future with crypto and leaving the slow and outdated big banks behind. I think so. We're going to do something great with crypto because we don't want China or anybody else, and not just China, but others are embracing it. And we want
an unbelievable champion of crypto. Again, it's coming. Everybody knows it's coming. And the people who don't embrace it early are going to ultimately lose.
And so we can hear there that the United States is going to embrace cryptocurrencies, right? That is going to have a big impact on Ripple as well, especially with the ongoing lawsuit that has been going on for 4 years. Now that could be coming to an end, which would be very bullish as well. Now let's go ahead and take a look at some more news coming in from Hong Kong here. Lawmakers have proposed incorporating Bitcoin into Hong Kong's fiscal reserves and considering using the exchange fund to continue purchasing and holding it for a long time to stimulate the development of the cryptocurrency industry in Hong Kong. And so this could be very bullish here as Hong Kong and China start looking into XRP and Bitcoin moving forward. Now let's talking about XRP's price here. We can see we have had outflows here over the last few days, right? I mean, since December 17th, we have had outflows for XRP. However, the price has remained somewhat stable, right? We've been right around that $2.20 to $2.10 range, and I think that is very positive. I mean, just look at the inflows here and what impact they had on the price, right? I mean, we just had a few days of inflows and we had a massive price appreciation for XRP. And so 2025 could be very bullish for XRP. We have a lot of catalysts coming up. We could have an XRP ETF in the future as well. And so if you enjoyed this video, do me a favor and hit the like button and subscribe for future videos. Also, make sure to check out that link underneath the video to Weex exchange if you're interested in spot or futures trading for XRP. There is no KYC required. Thanks so much for watching. I hope to see you in the next video.